I'm RG. I was not in the film Contagion. I would have liked to have been in the film Contagion, but look at that. I'm a first-year student at the American Academy of Dramatic Arts, and I am going to show you how one of the many ways you can help, defeat social distancing. Now I'm standing by my window. I want you to stand by yours. I believe the knobs are already unhooked. All right, so this is relatively simple. I have my hands underneath the ledge here, 2 fingers. And with those 2 fingers, I'm gonna just lift this little puppy up. All right, here we go. Oh my God, this is happening. This is really fucking happening. I live alone basically on the 2nd story of a loft in Manhattan. So, yeah.